Today, we'll learn about integration of Arccos x or inverse cosine x. Let's use integration by parts to solve the integral of Arccos x. Although, integration by parts is typically used for integrals with the two terms multiplied together, this problem only has one term. However, we can bring out a hidden one to create two terms. For those who are not familiar with the integration by parts, I recommend checking out the link at the top right corner for more detailed explanation and examples. The formula on the right is the integration by parts formula that we'll be using. Let's send u as arccosine x and v prime as 1. If we set up them the other way around, like u equals 1, then u prime becomes 0 and the integration on the right will be 0. So u must be arccosine x. To find u prime, we can take the derivative of arccosine x, which is negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared. And to find v, we can simply integrate 1 with respect to x. Multiplying u and v together, we get arccosine x times x, and the integrating u prime v gives us the integral of negative 1 over square root 1 minus x squared times x. If you rewrite the expression, it will be x times arccosine x minus integral minus x over square root 1 minus x squared dx. The second integral may look a bit challenging, but there's a quick method called the box rule that can help us solve it without substitution. If you are interested in learning more about this technique or other easy integration method for various cases, check out the link on the top right corner. The formula shown here is a fast integrating method without using u substitution. We simply need to decide which term to put in the green box and which term to put in the box prime, which is the derivative of the green box. With this method, we can quickly find the answer without much hassle. To simplify the integration, let's express the denominator of the second integral term as a negative exponent. Then the above equation becomes x times arccosine x minus integral 1 minus x to the power of negative half times negative x dx. If we put 1 minus x squared in the green box, we need negative 2x in the box prime, which is the derivative of 1 minus x squared. However, since the current equation does not have a2, we can arbitrarily multiply it by 2, but we must also divide it by 2 to maintain the same value in the equation. Now let's integrate. The first term simplifies to x times arccosine x. And the green box on the right, we copy the term 1 minus x squared from the green box on the left. Then we add 1 to the exponent in the green box and copy the same value to the denominator. And don't forget to add the constant of integration at the end of the integration. Now, simplifying the exponent and denominator, we can remove the half in both places. Therefore, the final answer is x times arccosine x minus the square root of 1 minus x squared plus c. What do you think? While arccosine only had one term, we were able to use integration by parts by finding the hidden 1. There are a few more exceptional problems like this, and I will go through them one by one in the future videos. If this video was helpful, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching so far. I'm your math guardian, Alex.